careful about it first of all, right? Because nobody wants to be the first person to be installing Windows 10 on their laptop until the bugs are shaken out. And you know, Windows operating systems are getting better, but that's just an example that everybody's familiar with. If you're the first person to use a synthetic radar on your roof to detect proximity to different things, it's going to be buggy, right? So early adopters, I would say, if there's a technology that you think can give you an edge in your business, get in early, right? But understand where you are in the technology readiness level, right? There's proof of concept, there's a minimally viable product, and then there's commercial product. So if it's just a proof of concept and you can influence the requirements that go into that, and it's critical for your business, I would be all over it, go after it. But just understand that relationship with the provider, that you're going to influence their design and they're going to build it with you in mind, because your building is, let's say, a sandbox for their development. But there's risks as well. You're going to have to be comfortable with shaking out the bugs, you know?